Hey guys, this video is to walk you through the process of signing up for the free retreat, Who Do You Say That I Am? With myself, Jen Allward, and 9 other amazing women who have created very unique, diverse multimedia lessons for you to help engage your creativity and explore the different names of God for yourself. First, you want to log in to learningtoseestudio.com or use the link below. Select courses. Choose the Who Do You Say That I Am course. If you use the link below, it will take you directly to this page where you can learn more about the course itself. Then you're going to want to select Join and either log in if you already have an account here or sign up with a new one. This is free. It doesn't even connect you to my newsletter. It just creates a space on my website for any future courses or groups to be connected to so that you have really easy access to everything that you want to engage in on the site. This will lead you straight to our pricing plan page where you have the early bird price of $37 for lifetime access to all the content including the bonus lessons. This special price will disappear September 1st. Then there is the 7-day retreat option, which is free. I just need you to register so all the emails and everything can connect right to your account. This option will disappear September 7th. And the VIP bundle is available anytime from September 1st, 2026 onward to gain lifetime access to all 10 of the main lessons plus the 6 bonus lessons for life, as long as my website remains intact. Once you select your plan, it will take you to the checkout page, where if you're signing up for the 7-day free option, you just need to enter your first and last names and your phone number and click Save and Continue. If you selected to purchase one of the VIP bundles or the early bird price, it will ask you for some credit card information here. Click on Place Your Order and wait for all the background gears to connect, and you'll be able to click Get Started, and it will take you right into the course itself. This dashboard page is like your Grand Central station where everything you need for the course is located. On the left-hand side, you're going to find the menu with each lesson listed. Right now you'll see that they're all locked, except for the welcome module. The 10 main lessons will unlock September 1st, and the 6 bonus lessons will unlock September 8th for those who purchase lifetime access. Each lesson or module has multiple steps, and to access those, you'll want to click that little drop-down arrow and see the different steps, which you then click on to access. One special feature of retreats is the community development and getting to meet like-minded people from around the world. As part of this retreat or course, you are automatically enrolled in a private group within the website platform. To access this, go up to your account icon and press the drop-down menu and select My Groups. Each course at Learning to See Studio has its own private group, so select the one that you want to enter into. And then these operate very much like Facebook or other social media platforms where you can add photos, videos, GIFs, written comments in the Create a Post. You can also respond and reply to other people's posts to encourage them on their journey towards a deeper understanding of who God is. If you go over to these 3 dots on the right-hand side, you can select notification settings and toggle off and on what kind of notifications you want to receive. This is part of how you can customize these groups to your liking. I'm so glad you're here and have decided to join us on this journey of discovering who God is and what that means to you. Take this time to familiarize yourself with the platform and introduce yourself to the group. Gather your supplies and invite some friends to join along on this journey of learning to see who God is.